Hi, it's me again with Corel Dual Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you two different ways to get rid of this white background or bounding box of this bitmap. So we're going to go, it's pretty small, well it's not small, let's make it small. Whoop. And let's go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clipart, which I use 99% of the time. Takes just a second. And you can play around with these and specify to remove the background. But there's not that much white background, and see, we take the graphic, you can see the white. Now there's two ways to do this. One, let's make a copy of it. And on this one, let's go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And then because this graphic is all connected, we can just grab the black and move the black down, and the white is left, even the white between the horse. The other way to do it would be to take the whole thing. I've got my yellow box causing me trouble. Let me move that down so I can grab it. The other way to do it would be to grab this and put just left click, no fill, right click, outline, and then take your smart fill tool and set it on black and go to a part that's solid and fill that in, and the white is gone. Anyway, either way, now this one doesn't always work because the white or the black might not all be connected. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.